One for Cuba!
Good morning, sir. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, so we're here at the golf club, and I would like you to introduce yourself and tell us a lot about all of this golf club, what is going on here, how people can come, what to expect.
Well, my name is Peter Klein, and I'm a golf operation director, and I run also a golf academy as a head golf pro. We are in Varadero Golf Club. This course has been found in 1998. It's the only golf course 18 holes in Cuba for now. The course is rating in a very good level, like 3.8 or 4 stars. And we have run many international tournaments. Like the top one have been the European Challenge Tour. Also, we run tournaments from the hotels.
That's very good actually to know, and I saw a lot of people here today, which is really cool.
So many years until now, we have created a very solid market of golfers, mostly from Canada.
Okay, and I can't wait to see everything else. If you can please show me, that will be the best.
Okay, we will be.
Let's go see it.
We are now in one of the most beautiful area of the golf course. On my right side, I have green number 7, and we can see downstairs, we can see the green number 17, which is a very tough par 3. And my left side is the beautiful combination of the turquoise color of the ocean with the green of the course. This is one of my favorite areas from the whole course. This is hole 18, which we consider the masterpiece of the architect. Les Forber was the Canadian architect who designed this course. At that time in 1996, when we started with the construction of the course, we asked him to keep that sculpture over there because we met the young couple who did that art, and he respected our wishes, and that's why we have that over there.
So, sir, I actually see that this is Melia Las Americas, the hotel. Do you have any business with them to offer the people who stay at the hotel to play game here? Is there anything?
Yes, mostly the golfers that we get every day in our course, they stay at Melia Las Americas because it's pretty close to the course. They don't have to take taxis. They just walk directly to the course, and also they have unlimited green fee. They only pay for the golf bogey. They don't. The hotel includes the green fee to their clients.
Oh, that's so good to know. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. And now Peter is going to show me how to play golf because I've never played in my life, and I can't wait to actually be your student now.
Okay, we could start with the putting. The greens have different shapes that we call that we read the green. If this green is breaking to the right, we suppose that we have to hit that ball a little to the left because it's gonna break right. We watch. We have to set the line of the putt in our mind. Okay. Good.
I want wanted to say thank you so much for this amazing man that helped us today. To Peter, who actually is the person of the golf. Don't forget, guys, that is the guy that you need to talk about the golf. And now thank you so much, Juan Carlos and Enjoy Travel Group that actually helped us to organize all this for us and to show you what you can enjoy coming here. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, so sir, what is this special place and can you tell us more about it because it's so cool?
This special place named La Maison de DuPont, and then we got the name of Xanadu. Today is the clubhouse of the Varadero Golf Course. This is one of the best places in Varadero.
Yes, and I can tell definitely. I see here a very beautiful area with antiques and stuff, and then the sitting area outside. Like it is a restaurant actually.
Yeah, we have 8 rooms for rental, and we also run a restaurant, international food, very famous also, very high quality, and it's open for everybody. Everybody can come and enjoy this place here. Okay, here we have an organ to play music. This one, there are only 3 in the whole world. There is one in New Jersey in the States, just at the house of the family DuPont, and this one and the other in Italy. If you follow me now, I will show you the old library from DuPont family. That was in the old days the dining room of DuPont family, the red saloon with red marble. We have 3 types of marble in the house. We have white, green, and red. Those marble came from Cuba and Italy too. This restaurant is open for everybody, so people can book here and people can eat in this place if they want with the family.
Nelly, so I'm so curious to know what is this actually floor offering and what this place offers to their clients.
This is our second floor, and we have actually 8 rooms for clients to stay. This is it works like as a clubhouse for the golf course, but also as a hotel for any clients who wants to stay. Clients who stay here have unlimited golf. That it means they only must pay for the clubs if they can bring theirs, and also have included breakfast and dinner. So this is a master room. We keep all the old furniture and design. This is imported Italy marbles. So from that time, from the 20s.
That's from the 20s?
Yeah, from the 20s. And so this is the view you get from our balcony. Oh my gosh!
Come and see, that's $1 million view. And I saw this beautiful room and I'm so curious, how much does it cost to book one of those?
We have seasonal prices, so winter season from October to May is higher prices. At the moment, $264 per night. It's 2 people in a room, $264. And in the lower season, which is our summer season, is $216. 2 people, 1 night, including golf, breakfast, and dinner.
Can you please tell me more about this beautiful place here, the bar?
This is a sightseeing bar. We have an outside terrace for smokers, and we give service to clients who stay at the mansion, to our golfers, and we also rent this space for private parties, weddings, and you can bring your band or whatever you want.
So there you go. You want to dance? You want to have fun? This is the place here.
Yeah.
I wanted to say thank you so much for everything that you showed us today. It was really nice, sir. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. It's our pleasure. All staff from Varadero Golf Course in Xanadu Mansion invites you to come here anytime. You will have a great time. I can assure you that.